Hi friends, I am on like a month and a half of this isolation stay-at-home stuff, plus sent a bunch of gummies and some cookies to decorate myself while I'm staying at home, which is super nice of them. I wanted to see if we could make fluid art frosting with the cookies. I think we can. I think we can totally do that. I have some coconut milk and some mixing cups, a bunch of other supplies to kick us off. Honestly, caught that on the first try. Impressive, I know. Grab frosting, cups, and something to stir. Eat a cookie for research purposes. Coconut milk to thin the mixture, cookies, duh, fun sprinkles, and some googly eyes. Mix, 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 and mix some more. Make sure your frosting has no lumps and the color is evenly spread. It's super easy to do. You want it to move well, but not be too fluid or it won't stay on the cookie. Not that I made that mistake or anything. I wanted the cookies to ultimately have a tie-dye or marbled design. I tried a dirty pour that gave a nice cloudy purple print. I added some of the slime green to give it contrast and used the fork to pull the color. Mostly, I just let the color and frosting do its thing in the pour. Just like paint, the art will reveal itself and it's up to your sharp eye to catch it. This little leaf friend was my second favorite pour. I got a little crazy with the colors because I knew it was my last one. Why not? No one's judging. Just have fun with it. By this last cookie, I was entirely comfortable with the consistency and movement of the frosting. I had some trial and error, but I think these last batches turned out really well. I love how the stripes turned out. Now for the final touches. I left the cookies in the freezer for around 2 hours to make the frosting hold the patterns and prints. They held pretty well. Then I got to work with lots of sprinkles and googly eyes. I love how these turned out, especially this cloud. I'd love to try making these with some brighter colors for some epic canvas cookies. I can't wait to see what you make. Thanks for joining, and let me know if you try it at home.